So, as I previously stated in the video about my firearms, which I had to turn in because my wife, who I'm separated from, had put a restraining order out on me, all for the purpose of keeping me from getting into my house to get my stuff. And as part of the restraining order, I was required to turn in any firearms or sell them. So being a good citizen, I turned them in to the police department. Really I didn't have to because they didn't really know I had any, really. But I did that, to keep from anything going wrong, and they knowing I had some guns. So it's whenever you turn your guns into a police department, if they take them themselves or you turn them in, you have to go through a Department of Justice background check first to get your guns back. So today I received my letter, and it is a law enforcement gun release eligibility denial form. So I'm being denied my guns. Why? Because of the following prohibition. California Penal Code Section 245, assault with a deadly weapon other than a firearm or with force likely to produce great bodily injury. Now this stems from the incident back like going on 6 years ago with my oldest son. When he was 16, we got into it, and I put him in a chokehold. Now, the outcome of that was it was reduced to misdemeanor, and I was put on probation. They knew I had guns. They allowed me to keep my weapons because the judge deemed that my weapons had nothing to do with what I did, that I wasn't harm, I wasn't at risk of doing anything or shooting anybody because it didn't involve firearms. So now the Department of Justice come down stating this penal code, which within it itself it says assault with a deadly weapon other than a firearm. So I didn't do anything using a firearm, but now they're saying I can't possess a weapon. They are denying me my what right? A constitutional right to possess a firearm. In the big scheme of things, what does that mean? They're denying me a right to a weapon. They're denying me a right to bear arms for the purpose of protecting myself against someone coming in to my property, someone attacking my family firearm, from the state itself coming against me with their firearms. You realize what they have done, right? They have denied me my inalienable rights as just a person, as a human being myself. The right to protect myself in the way I deem fit and necessary because of something that happened that didn't deal with firearms itself about 6 years ago. So by its very nature, does that not make me an enemy of the state? Can I not deem myself now an enemy of the state, and that I am rightfully in position as my own sovereign person to do what I deem necessary against the state because they are deemed me, in essence, an enemy. When they are denying me the right to possess my own firearms to get them back, I am an enemy. I am untrustworthy with the firearm. Like I said, so I don't have any right to do that. They've taken it away. Initially, I will try to go through whatever necessary to try to get them back. But like I said, if I claim myself to be an enemy of the state, and if I do things towards the state based off of this fact, I am right in doing so, yes?